guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for all the love. It's so overwhelming that so many people are watching my videos, but I feel so good that people are watching my videos and my videos are actually helpful to you guys. So here I am with another experience. I have given my NMIMS interview. My interview was on 26th February. I'm not sure if the last interview is on 28th February because there are rumors that there are interviews in March as well. So if any of you guys have interviews in March, please do comments and let us know that there are interviews in March as well, because everybody's expecting results also by 15th April or 15th March or even before 15th March. So in case you have interviews in March, do let us know. That will help us get an idea how much anxiety do we have to be in. But overall, I would like to say that my interview was, I don't know, I think I want to say very okay, not great, not bad as well, very okay. I think I did tank a few GK questions. AI interview was very basic. I think he didn't, as in the AI didn't ask me much, but the female panelist did have a lot of questions for me. And I think CT, as usual, like everybody is saying, it was easy, just the managerial ability was a little hard. I do remember 3 to 4 questions. So one question was that one of the companies, I think the company name was Rex Limited. If any of you guys were in my slot and you remember something as Rex Limited, do let me know your answer as well for the question in the comments below. So the question was like, Rex Limited has some inventory issues. They do not produce the same product again. All their products are different and unique. The products are bifurcated by size, type, fit, material, etc, etc. So the question was, what is this called? And there were a few options. I don't think I remember any of the options. In fact, I don't even remember my own option that I marked. But in case you guys remember, do let me know in the comments below. The second question was, if there's a company, the company is facing liquidity issues, as in the revenue is great, but there's still no money because there are a lot of receivables, and the cash is also stuck at receivables. Sorry, the cash is also stuck at inventory. So the CFO, as in the chief finance operator, suggested that we cut costs, and the CEO, as in the chief operating officer, suggested that we reduce our inventory. This way we will be able to hold on some cash or whatever. So what is this issue of that liquidity called? So I marked gross profit margin, but I don't have a good feeling that it's right. So do let me know what your answer was, and if mine was wrong and I already have to expect -1 in that question. So the third question that I remember is, you are an operations leader and your team is going through performance issues. Yeah, as in their morale is very down, and because of that their performance is not coming at par. So you have to go, you have to talk to them, you have to boost their morale, you have to understand their issues, you have to make them feel that they are heard, and that they are valued at the company. So the question was, what is this leadership style called? Now I remember 2-3 options. The option was something like laissez-faire leadership, the second was performance leadership, and third was production leadership. I marked laissez-faire, which I already know is wrong because I came home and I googled what is laissez-faire leadership, and it did not match with the question that it had. So I am almost sure that the 3 questions that I mentioned are mostly wrong. All 3 of them are wrong, so I'm already attracting -3, which is little not so calming and comforting. But I think I had to take that risk because I thought if even one of them is right out of these 3, then we'll just compensate for other -2 wrong answers. But my luck didn't work for me. But do let me know in the comments if any of you know any of these 3 answers. Even if you were not in my slot and you can know by just listening to the question, you know what the answer was, then that will be very helpful for me. Otherwise, CT was very easy, verbal ability was very easy, LR was very, very easy. Like there were 4 types. My question was that there are researchers, they had pattern, like first was they are from some mythology, as in the Greek or ancient or Roman, etc. Second was they have an archetype. Third was they have a tool, and fourth was they I think fourth was they belong to this field, like engineering or something like that. So these were the 4 types, and then there was a long statement. It was not confusing at all. It was very easy. It was very straightforward. I think I solved it in 3 to 4 minutes. So that's very chill. So you do not have anything to worry about verbal ability and mental ability, but managerial ability is the problem that everybody is facing. I'm sure all your interviews are already done, so I don't really have to give any suggestions. All I'm going to tell you is we are all in the same boat. If your CT went well, then I think PI is going to be the deciding factor for almost everybody, because I think CT for everybody was easy. The only hard part was managerial ability. So those who have been able to crack managerial ability, those who got lucky with their guesses, are going to be the ones that get in. Otherwise, people like me who got all 3 of guesstimates wrong, are, I don't know what to assume or what to make out of it yet. But yeah, I think you already know how the experience was. They gave samosa, which I obviously didn't have. Luckily or unluckily, however you would like to call it, but I think luckily my interview was first, so I got done very early. I think within 2.5 hours I was done. Other than that, I think we just have to wait. Hopefully there are no interviews in March, so that we can expect the results between 10th March to 15th March. Whenever the results are out, I will surely quickly update, put a shot or something like that for to update you guys, so that you guys can go and check out the merit list. Do let me know what your thoughts are, whether or not I will be able to convert it. My transcript is below, the questions that were asked to me by AI and by the female panelists. That's it for today, guys. I hope you guys, whoever has given an MIMS interview, do get convert calls, and best of luck to everybody. Until next time, Ajo.